Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. If you want to learn Quran properly, then subscribe to this channel and watch the videos regularly. Let's start our today lecture. Our today lecture is about moments and Tanween. In this lecture, we will read how letters with signs are read, and then how these letters form, these letters join together to form a word, and how these words are read in a sentence, in a verse. Let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. First one is غين فتحة غا، با فتحة با، غبا، را فتحة رو، غبارة غبارة، تا double dammatun، غبراتun غبراتun. If you stop, if you stay, then you will read it as ghabarah, ghabarah. This tha with double damma, thun, it will be converted to ha. Then we will read it as ghabarah. If you continuously reading, then you will read it as ghabaratun, ghabaratun. Next, fa fatha fa, ain fatha a, fa'a, lam fatha la, fa'ala, fa'ala. If you stay, fa'al, fa'al. Next is qaf fatha qa, tha fatha tha, qata, ra fatha ra, qatara, ta double dammatun, qataratun, qataratun. If you stay, qatarah, qatarah. Again, this tha with double dammatun, it will be converted to ha. Then you will read, if you stay at the middle or the end of a sentence, you will read it as qatarah, qatarah. Next is qab dammaku, ta kasrati, quti, lam pathala, qutila, qutila. If you stay, qutil, qutil, read it as qutil. Next is qab dammaku, ta kasrati, quti, lam pathala, qutila, qutila, qutila. If you stay, qutil, qutil. Next is qaf fatha qa, dal fatha da, qada, ra fatha ra, qadara, qadara. If you stay, qadar, qadar. Next is qab dammaku, Ra kasra ri, quri. Hamza patha a, quri'a, quri'a. If you stay quri, quri, the ra with kasra will be read it lightly. Read it again. Qab damma qu, ra kasra ri, quri. Hamza patha a, quri'a, quri'a. If you stay quri, quri. Next is qaf patha qa, sin patha sa, qasa, qasa. Mim double dammun, qasamun, qasamun, qasamun. If you stay qasam, qasam. If you stay, then you will read it as qasam. Next is ka patha ka, ba patha ba, kaba. Dal double kasra din, kabadin, kabadin. If you stay kabad, kabad. While reading Tanween signs with letters, the sound will be emitted from nose. Kabadin, kabadin. If you stay kabad. Next is kap damaku, tha damatu, kutu. Ba double damma bun, kotobun, kotobun, kotobun. If you stay, you will read it as kotob, kotob, kotob. Next is ka patha ka, sin patha sa, kasa. Ba patha ba, kasaba, kasaba. If you stay, read it as kasab, kasab, kasab. Next is ka patha ka, fa fatha fa, kafa. Ra fatha ra, kafara, kafara. If you stay kafar, kafar, kafar. Next is kap dammaku, fa dammafu, kufu. Wow double fatha one, kufuwan, kufuwan. If you stay kufuwa, kufuwa. Due to this alif, it will be stretched. It will be read as long. Kufuwa, kufuwa. So Alhamdulillah, today lecture is up to this word kufuwa, kufuwa. It is enough. We will read the next words, the next lines in the next period. Repeat it again and again and try it and practice it. Inshallah, it will be very useful for you while reading Quran. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.